Welcome back to the Autoland, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in the world of cars and motorcycles. If you're passionate about wheels, innovation, and cutting-edge design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's talk about something seriously sleek and futuristic: a Cadillac's 2026 Lyriq. Cadillac has been making some big moves in the world lately, and the Lyriq is right at the center of it all. This isn't just a step into the future, it's a bold leap. And for 2026, the Lyriq pushes even further ahead with new refinements, smart features, and a design that's pure luxury from every angle. From the moment you lay eyes on the Lyriq, it's clear Cadillac wasn't playing it safe. The front grille, though mostly aesthetic due to the lack of a traditional engine, is a dramatic light display that changes when the car starts up or as it's charging. It's like a light show that sets the mood before you even get inside. The body lines are clean and futuristic, with a sleek coupe-like silhouette, flush door handles, and massive wheels that command attention on any street. Let's talk interior. Step inside, and you're met with what feels like a luxury spaceship. The 33-inch curved LED display stretching across the dash is more than just a screen. It's an immersive interface that merges your digital world with your driving experience. Cadillac has really focused on user experience here. The graphics are crisp, animations are smooth, and the interface is incredibly responsive. Add to that an AKG 19-speaker premium audio system and active noise cancellation, and you've got a cabin that feels more like a private lounge than a vehicle. But the Lyriq isn't just about luxury, it's packing serious power too. For 2026, the Lyriq offers multiple configurations, including a dual-motor all-wheel drive version with over 500 horsepower. That means you're not only gliding silently through the streets but doing it with some serious acceleration. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, which is wild considering how refined and calm it feels while doing it. On the battery side, Cadillac uses GM's Ultium platform, giving the Lyriq an impressive range of around 340 to 380 miles depending on your configuration. Charging is also super convenient. With DC fast charging, you can get up to 76 miles of range in just 10 minutes, which is perfect for long road trips or quick top-ups around town. It supports level 2 home charging too, making it super practical for daily use. Driving the Lyriq is a dream. The adaptive air suspension and precision steering make it handle corners and city traffic like a much smaller car. Plus, with Cadillac's advanced Super Cruise system, which allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways, the 2026 Lyriq gives you a glimpse into what autonomous driving can feel like when it's done right. And yes, it's got automatic lane changes and even better driver monitoring to make sure you're always engaged when necessary. One of the underrated features is the amount of storage and practicality Cadillac packed into the design. You get a spacious rear cargo area, underfloor storage, and the second row folds completely flat for those big shopping trips or weekend getaways. The cabin also feels roomy and airy, thanks to the panoramic sunroof and the use of light-colored materials that make everything feel even more open. Safety-wise, Cadillac has loaded the Lyriq with every modern feature you could ask for: automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and a whole suite of cameras and sensors. It's tech-heavy but doesn't feel overwhelming, which is a hard balance to strike. And let's talk about value for a second. The 2026 Lyriq starts at a surprisingly competitive price point for a luxury EV. Cadillac is clearly aiming to challenge the Teslas and BMW i models out there, and they're doing it with style, performance, and real-world practicality. It's not just a flashy Evo, it's a well-rounded vehicle that shows how serious Cadillac is about the electric future. The 2026 Cadillac Lyriq is more than just a car, it's a bold statement. It represents Cadillac's shift toward innovation, sustainability, and modern luxury. If you're looking for a premium electric SUV that doesn't compromise on looks, comfort, or tech, the Lyriq might just be your perfect match. And that's a wrap on today's video. What do you think of the 2026 Cadillac Lyriq? Would you pick it over a Tesla Model Y or maybe a BMW X? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more deep dives into the coolest vehicles out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.